Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I wanted to run through some papers that I had available for both digital download, or you can buy them already printed out in 6x6 papers. And it is my diagonal plaid collection. So I wanted to quickly show that to you, just so you would have an idea there. First one is this teal. There are two teal in the collection. I did hand make these myself digitally. I put every little line and distressing and all that sort of thing. So there's two teals in here, so it's important, I think, to see the difference. One is sort of a little bit cleaner looking, and the other one is a little more distressed. If you can see, some of the little pieces there are all over, rather than this one just has it in the white stripe. So that's the difference there between those two. It's a little bit brighter colors. This is more of a minty green maybe, and this is more of a baby blue, if you want to call it that, and a little bit brighter red. So those are two there. If you buy the digital pack, it's not very expensive, but if you buy the digital pack, they print out like this. If you put 8.5 by 11 inches, and then if you put full page or full, it's probably different on every printer, but it'll print out 8.5 by 8.5 roughly. So just to give you an idea there. Okay. So this one I like a lot. This is like the pink and red and that teal green, dark teal green, with that same sort of speckled stripe in there. So that's a fun one. This is one of my favorite ones, this black chalkboardy look with the red and green and that speckled. So I think that can go for a lot of, if you want sort of a darker background there. This is a red, show you the difference here. I can find it. I'll do this one first. So this is a red sort of buffalo plaid-ish kind of flannelly looking diagonal one. I really like that. And then this has the addition of a gold sparkly, of course it's in the paper, it's not actually foiled, but I wish I had that capability, but I don't. But it looks nice. So anyway, it has the gold glitter look there. And then I have a green diagonal version with those plaids. So it's a black, the white, and then when they overlay, they make different shades and colors. Did I get all of them, or am I missing? So there should be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So I just wanted to run through that so you could see that. Again, that comes as a digital download if that's what you prefer. And you can print out as many and you can make crafts and sell these. Just don't sell the digital file, please. And don't sell the paper as is. But that comes digital download, and it comes also as a paper sampler that you can purchase. All right, thanks so much. Have a great day.